Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this smartphone. Start by going into Tab menu. Now you need to find auto rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, now it's green. That means that auto rotation is on. But you can always turn it off by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well. Scroll down, choose display and brightness. Scroll down again and click on the switcher next to auto rotate feature. If the switcher is green, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!